folks, this is Adam, and today we've got a great supplement for you. It's from my favorite supplement company. This is Fresh Healthcare's Premium Herbal Immune Support Complex 12-in-1 Immune Support Dietary Supplement. Enough words there? Well, they make a really good supplement, and I'm here to tell you about them today. And if you're not taking your appropriate supplements, I definitely recommend it. As somebody who cares about my fitness and nutrition, I go to kind of a healthcare doctor. They take my blood every once in a while, every quarter, I believe, and they tell me which nutrients I'm missing. Vitamin D, fish oil, things that are always missing from my personal body. I take those in supplements. And one of the best ways to make sure that you're getting all the nutrients that you need is to take a multivitamin, particularly for immune support. Because I don't know if you know this, there's a lot of things going on where you don't want to get sick. I don't know if you paid close attention, but yeah, apparently in the news, there's a lot of stuff going around. We have to wear masks now and all sorts of stuff. I know you know that, I'm just joking. So what is in this? It's a 12-in-1. It says nature's most powerful herbs, potent immune system support, and ultimate herbal defense. It's a bestseller with 90 vegetarian / I would assume vegan capsules. So let's take a look what's in it. It'll have ginger, garlic, milk thistle, licorice, olive, holy basil, chaga, hope I said that right, green tea, black pepper, and all sorts of other things. Ginseng. It's GMP certified, it's GMO free, it has no artificial flavors, and it's 100% vegetarian. Elderberry Premium Herbal Complex. So what does this mean for you? If you are somebody who gets sick once a year, twice a year, whatever it is, some of the reason for that is because you aren't getting the proper nutrition. I know me personally, the time I get sick is when my diet is lacking. When I've tried keto diets, I almost always get a cold or the flu. You don't have those vitamins and those nutrients that you need. If you are not eating a completely balanced diet, getting enough greens, getting enough vegetables, getting your green tea and things like that, well, odds are you probably need a good supplement. This is Fresh Healthcare, one of their best sellers. I recommend going to their website, fresh-healthcare.com, picking up a whole variety of their supplements. They've got some amazing supplements, all sorts of vitamins, complexes, and things. This is made in the USA. It is lab certified, and again, it is eco-friendly. So if you're looking for high-end, high-quality nutrition, then pick this up. 3 capsules is a daily supply, so this is a 30-day supply. I'll put a link in the description below. And yeah, it's an herbal immune complex. It says about the herbal immune complex. Our premium immune herbal complex has been formulated with nature's most powerful herbs to support your body's immune system. Each of our ingredients has been carefully selected for its immune supporting properties. You can take back control of your health and provide your body with the natural nutrients it needs to support a healthy immune system. Antioxidants, 12 powerful herbs, and they are easy to swallow. So one thing I will note is a lot of people, one of the most common questions I get is how big are the pills themselves, right? Well, I want you to be able to see them first up front. Right there, your standard size pill, so it's not forced perspective. Standard size pill right there, got a little cotton on it, I apologize. Oops, just dropped one into the cotton, no less. So a standard size pill, nothing big, easy to swallow. And it comes with, on the label, there is a free, peel me for your free gift. Well, free gift. So anyway, folks, I definitely recommend it. I recommend this company. One thing I will note is that not all supplement companies are the same. There are some questionable sellers that will just pretty much put sawdust into a pill and sell it as whatever. You want something that's a reputable company that cares about their reputation, that actually tests. You want somebody that's GMP certified. You want somebody that's gone through all the rigors. Also, scan for a free ebook. So there's a free ebook associated with their freshbodymind.com. It's kind of a blog, as well as their Instagram page, which I'm a big fan of. Go check them out on Instagram. Anyway, folks, make sure to click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. One of my favorites right here. It's herbal immune support, and frankly, you definitely need to be taking a few supplements. If you aren't, you're not getting all the nutrients you need. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. I'm Adam, and I am out of here. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to subscribe to our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. So if you love gadgets and entertainment, then be sure to subscribe to 911 Reviews.